Discussions about the objections against Tesla Giga Berlin have been going on in the past 3 days, and according to RBB24, the discussions about Tesla factory will continue on Monday, but apparently they had some very factual and lengthy discussions, objections discussed on Friday. And in this report, I'm going to tell you how things went. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. If you are here for the first time in our channel, please ring the bell. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss our next Tesla story. So RBB24, which is Brandenburg's public radio, reports saying that in the town hall in Erkner on Oder-Spree, which is just next door from Grünheide, where Tesla is building its Giga Berlin factory, citizens, officials, and Tesla employees discussed objections from the population against Tesla, against Tesla's car factory that is being built in Grünheide yesterday and Friday. After more than 100 objections had appeared on Wednesday, the first day of this discussion meeting on Friday, the third day of the discussion, only a good 50 objections came. And RBB notes that the objectors had, with Tesla employees and government officials, had a very factual and lengthy debate. And RBB says that the most controversial topic at the Tesla settlement at Giga Berlin was on the agenda on Friday yesterday. That's the issue of water. If you remember, when Elon Musk was in Berlin visiting Giga Berlin, he was also asked a question about the water and water settlement. And if you remember, he said that it's a very complex issue, the way water is served in the Berlin area. But RBB notes that many of the more than 400 objections against Giga Berlin in total revolve around the supposed threat of water scarcity in the region. Objectors also fear that underground foundation piles of the factory and rising salt water could damage the quality of the groundwater. After hours of heated discussion of procedural and protocol issues on Wednesdays, the mood on Friday was more moderate, reports RBB, which is, I think, a good news. However, repeated requests for bias against discussion leader Ulrich Stock from the State Environment Agency ensured that the debate only progressed slowly. The debate around water did not finish, but it progressed slowly. And if you remember, so the issue is that people are concerned that there will be water scarcity after Tesla uses so much water at Giga Berlin, and the salt waters will go up because of the piles going down in the soil. But Elon Musk said, I don't think we should be worried about water scarcity, because if there was a water scarcity, this place would be desert, and you can see it's all covered with forests. But people who live in this area, they're concerned about their livelihood, and I personally respect that. And this transition to electricity, to more sustainable energy, is all about sustainability, is all about caring for our environment and preserving. So it's good that people are able to express their legitimate concerns about their environment in which they live, and it's good that Tesla is openly and progressively discussing the issue with them and with government and trying to find solution. And I know that one of the things Tesla did is to use fewer piles, change the plan to use fewer piles to address the water issue and either have less damage or no damage to the underground water. RBB also notes that discussions will continue on Monday, the objections against Tesla Giga Berlin, saying that the effort and scope of the appointment are much more extensive than we originally planned, said the discussion leader Ulrich Stock from the State Environment Agency yesterday on Friday at the event. And the RBB notes that he estimates estimates that so far only about 40% of all topics have been discussed. Therefore, the discussion should continue on Monday. So if in 3 days only 40% of the topics have been discussed, I think this can go another week, depending on the enormity of the topics, depending on how big those topics are. But I would say at least 3 days. Then the topics of traffic and climate protection will be on the agenda. So next week, the State Environment Agency may only approve the Tesla plans once all of the issues raised by the objections have been discussed. So far, Tesla has only built in Grünheide with advance approval. The company would have to tear everything down again if the final approval for the plant were not received. And in fact, people during the first day on Wednesday asked who will pay for tearing down the plant. And I think the answer didn't come, but Tesla and government officials said that that issue is already discussed and there are plans in place. And, Tesla is building with this advanced approval that helps to give Tesla a place for improvement and also time, to gain time. For example, they come up with a short plan, they apply to the government while the government is approving and considering that part of the plan. For example, the foundation work. Tesla is working on the buildings plan, and when they receive the approval for the foundation work, they hand to the government the next phase, the building plan. And while the government is doing that, Tesla is building the foundation and presenting the plan for permit for the interior work and so on. As a result, Tesla people are constantly working, the government is working, and the Giga Berlin is constantly being built at an astonishing speed. In the meantime, Tesla cars are becoming very, very popular in Europe. And in fact, Tesla Model 3 is August's best-selling electric vehicle in Europe, as we can see from EV sales report. In August, Tesla Model 3 sold 7,020 vehicles. Renault Zoe sold 6,183 vehicles. Then third comes Ford Kuga PHEV, which is hybrid EV, plug-in hybrid EV, which sold 5,055 vehicles. And then on the fourth place comes Hyundai Kona EV, selling 4,054 vehicles. And the fifth place is Mercedes A250 electric, which sold 3,505 vehicles. As you can see, Mercedes sold twice less vehicles than Tesla Model 3, and the main markets for the Tesla Model 3 were Germany with 2,824 units, then comes the United Kingdom with 950 units, and then comes, interestingly, Netherlands with 609 units. And as good as these numbers are, September should be even better, we're expecting, for the company. So we'll see how things go, friends. In the meantime, let me know what your thoughts are about the objections against Tesla Giga Berlin and how things should proceed in your opinion in the upcoming days. And this is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. And if you would like to write Tesla and electric vehicle coverage at torquenews.com, we are hiring people, and please contact me using the About page of our Torque News YouTube channel, where you can get my contact email. Have a wonderful rest of the day. I'll see you soon in our next report. God bless you and peace be with all of you.